Hi guys, we're at Blakedown level crossing in Worcester with Spike and Callow.
Hi guys, this is Blakedown level crossing with Spike and Callow 5. These are the years.
Yeah. He needs that train to convince to break Marvin, is it? Anyways,
He's in the forest.
the time now is 1900. Saturday the 20th of June 2015, and this is for our slightly delayed 1855 2 Victor 48 London Minster from Stratford upon Avon to Great Malvern. And still no Will Scriven.
I thought we'd get like, you know, go.
Yeah, well, I mean for this closure.
Yeah.
I mean, if things are necessary, if Will does somehow miraculously get here, and we'll probably stay just a tad extra longer just to see him. Oh. Sorry about that, guys, that's my other phone. Is that Andrew or who? Right. Sorry about that. Got a text message, eh? I'm guessing from Andrew. No? Onto the station. Right. Hold on. Let me just reply to Andrew very quickly. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, here comes our 1723 carriager.
That ain't stopping.
No, it is stopping. It's due to stop. It's due to stop and it will stop. See? Lovely speed, and you can hear it slowing down like the tube from a long distance.
It's stopping, yeah.
It's now obvious it's stopping.
Numbers are
172345. 345.
345.
345.
345 then.
I know 345, but
Great,
you know,
Malvern.
Which is one of the very rare services you get to Great Malvern. Well, not very rare, but not very often. Sorry, that's Andrew. Right, go back to crossing. You always have to.
How do you see Will?
He said you always have to miss something. Oh. I'll tell Andrew something after this when we go up. Okay, go, go, go. Anyways, 172345 to Great Malvern.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Off to Great Malvern, over Blakedown crossings.
172345 to Great Malvern with Andrew texting me again. And up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.